The Slmda has called on men to take charge of their health to help society flourish. The calls come on the commemoration of International Men's Day observed annually on November 19th. President Dr. Merle Clark says men compared to women are more likely to overlook their health.
We globally are living through a pandemic, and men are affected as well. In fact, in St. Lucia, the trend is towards more females being affected, interestingly enough. And even that speaks to perhaps, is it that the women are going in for testing more than the men? There's so many factors that need to be looked at, but men do tend to ignore their health more so perhaps than our women, and that has to change. For our society to thrive, we need our men to be healthy, and more focus has to be placed on them.
Dr. Clark also noted that men are most affected by crime, violence, and other social issues which must be addressed for the betterment of society. She implored government leaders to implement social programs to support men.
We're literally losing a generation of young men, and that has to stop. Policymakers have an obligation to our young men to put into practice social programs that will help them move forward and do better as it pertains to their mental health, and that they're not killed or they're not maimed in serious crimes, gunshot wounds, stab wounds, chop wounds, which leave quite a few, the accidents on the road, which leave so many of our young men with serious injuries that make them not productive in the years of their life when they really should be the most productive. So we as a country need to pay more attention to our men and not feel that they're okay and they can handle it.
The Slmda president says apart from annual physicals and periodic health checkups, self-care is also important for men.
Our men, we need to encourage them more to take care of themselves. Ensure that based on your age, there are certain checks that need to be done on a yearly basis, that those are done. Of course, you think men, you think prostate health, certainly above the age of 40, you need to have a prostate check done yearly, a digital rectal exam to check for the prostate, and a PSA. Your general health, your blood sugars, your blood pressures. Just ensure that you're in the best state of health that you can be. Diet and exercise are important. Do things that make you feel good. It could be simple things, reading a book, yoga.
The objective of International Men's Day is to highlight the contribution of men to community, marriage, family, and child care. It also celebrates the positive values of men to society. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.